Wiper replacement on a 2015 Super Duty. I believe 2011 to 2017 are basically going to be the same. This is really straightforward. You only need a few tools. One is going to be the notorious 5.5 millimeter socket. And that's going to be for your 3 bottom bolts here. I'll get a quick picture of those. Nothing special. And then your top cover just kind of pops off, as you can see up here. Now, you're also going to need a T10 socket to take out these 2 little bolts. And you can turn your steering wheel to about the 9 o'clock position to allow you to get them out. Just be aware that this switch does not pull out. It pulls out to the side. Just a gentle wiggle, and that is all it is. So this should help out a couple people, and I wish y'all luck. Recap. The part number is Echo Charlie 3 Zulu 13 Kilo 359 Alpha Alpha. You're going to need a 5.5 millimeter to remove the 3 bottom screws here, and then once you pop that out, you're going to need that T10. Remember guys, when you slide these switches, you need to have them in and they pull out. If you try to pull them this way, you're going to end up breaking them. One other thing, the reason we replaced this was actually the windshield wipers were not shutting off at all. Even with the switch off and the courtesy turned off, the wipers were still staying on all the time on low. And then our sprayers were not working. Since replacing this switch, everything works like it should now. So, very easy job, really. Anybody can do this. I mean, once again, you need a 5.5 millimeter socket and a T10 Torx bit. All those are easily available at any parts store. There's really no reason to pay a mechanic to do this. I think it took me maybe, and that was never doing it before, so very simple and straightforward. That's it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.